If you're new to my channel, and you're new to me actually, hi, I'm Cynthia. I'm a chef. I do all the things with the plants. Yummy. This is a super cool, just a really quick, simple burger patty that is delicious, and we're going to hold them together with oats, oat flour, and it's really, really that simple. So breadcrumbs to coat it, any breadcrumbs you like, okay? It's up to you. I've just got a handful of parsley, some miso. I've got some garlic powder and onion powder. So I'm actually not using fresh garlic or onion in this one. I've got some chopped, just roughly chopped, like just run your knife through these mushrooms. There's no like technique here at all except for joy. And then you've got some butter beans, you know, about 3 cups of cooked butter beans. And you can use other beans if you like, but this is particularly for this recipe. And then I've got some oats, which I just want to turn into flour, which all I do straight into the food processor. Honestly, all I'm going to do is blitz it to make like a flour. It's really that simple. So if you ever feel like you're kind of lost and you're in the sense of you're seeing a recipe that requires oat flour, don't run to the shops. And if you've got some oats in the cupboard, this is all you do. And now you have a really fine oat flour. Okay, so heat up your pan like I've been doing, just here, and a good splash of oil, just like that. It's really easy. Mushrooms going first. And allow them just to cook down a little and create their mushroomy flavour. Then you're going to add in your beans. Really simple. The onion and garlic powder. That miso paste. Give that a good stir. Just incorporate all that miso paste in. And now you want just a little bit of pepper. There's a lot of salt in miso, so just a touch of salt is enough. Cook this for about 2 minutes, just stirring as you're going, low heat. Parsley in, just really roughly chopped, right? Heat off, it's that quick, that quick. Straight over to your food processor. Now that's where those oats, that's where that went in here, right? And I created that oat flour. And now I'm going to add this glory into the oats. Get it all in there. Okay, I want a little splash of olive oil. Totally optional, but I want it. And I'm just going to pulse this. And pulsing means just this, ready? I know, right? Some people write to me and goes, what do you mean by pulse? This is what I mean. Have a look in here. It's looking amazing. Now the next step is to transfer it into a bowl. It's super hot. This is the last thing you want to be doing, is making, you know, burger patties with really hot ingredients. So straight into a bowl. The more I scoop this out, I'm noticing straight away it's getting thicker and thicker because the oat flour is starting to absorb any liquid that was in those mushrooms and in that those beans, which is so great, right? Because this is what you want. You want this whole situation to happen. It's really getting quite thick now. I'm so happy about this. Have a taste. Very beany. That's what we want. And let that cool completely before we make these amazing patties in the breadcrumbs. And then you just figure out what you want to do. You want tomato, slices of tomato, onion, lettuce. What do you want? I'm going to check what's in my fridge. And then we'll put it all together. These have totally cooled down and they're just great. If anything, I'd probably put them in the fridge to completely settle into the burger roll. The burger roll, that's hilarious, Cynthia. I'm just coating them with breadcrumbs, you know. This is just like so easy. And you could put chili in here, capsicum, like you could just put so much in here. Okay, just keep doing that and then straight into the pan. Like I said, you can put them in the fridge so they do get a little bit firmer if you want to, but they've been sitting here for like 15 minutes, right? They completely cool down. What did I get? 5 burgers out of that. That's all right, isn't it? Hey, see I'm doing this? That's scoop, right? There's a little bit left in there. And all you're doing is just squishing it between your fingers, yeah, like this. And then as I'm rolling, I'm squeezing, you know. Oh, that's gonna sit because that one's just been made. I just want them to be golden brown. I'm gonna get some bread rolls, see what salad's in the fridge, tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, all the things. Seriously, they don't take long to cook, hey? You just want those breadcrumbs to go really golden brown, you know? And I have, this is all that was in the fridge. There's nothing else, right? That's it. So lettuce, tomato and onion, my bread rolls, tomato sauce, yes. But I want to do something with my bread rolls before I even serve this up. I want them to get fresh, because I've been here since this morning and I want them to get fresh and crunchy. So we'll just remove these patties. All right, so as these other two are continuing to cook, my cast iron pan is super hot. And to make these nice and fresh and delicious and kind of bakery kind of coming out of the oven feel, is you just to add them to your pan like that. So, and what that does is just heats it through gently, and then we'll just turn them over after about maybe a minute. And that's really all you do. And it depends how you like to do things, but I'm going to put tomato sauce first. And then one of these beauties. Look at that. So pretty. So cute. And I want onion for schmiz. Like, I just want raw onion. You can cook it. It's up to you. Tomato, yes. Salt and pepper on your tomato. Very important. Makes everything delish. And then my lettuce on my lid. Now I'm going to do it the other way around. Okay, so these go in. That can sit there. Huh? tomato sauce.
How did you make your tomato sauce?
My tomato sauce recipe is in my cookbook, actually, and it's called Plant-Based Love Stories, and it's amazing, and you should get it because it has all the things, and it's so great because it has all these amazing stories with each recipe. It's not just a recipe book. That on top. Who wants a burger?
I want a burger!
Get these out. Done. That's it. That's all you do. I feel like I've succeeded today.
You did.
I feel really good. They look really good, don't they?
That's really good.
Like really good. Yummy. Okay, and you don't have to have burger buns. You can have this with a salad. You can do anything you like. It's amazing. It's just one way to use these amazing butter beans. Okay, I'm gonna go now.